So, hi, this is Vineet, Assistant Professor of B-Spine SNS Institutions. So, today we are going to see in the topic of stages of group development. So, yes, so what are all the stages are involved in the group development? So, as we said, so the first stage will be of forming stage. So during this forming stage, the group members are really polite and the cautious. So as they get to know each other's, there is a sense of excitement and anticipations about the task ahead, but also some anxiety about the unknown. So people will be formed very newly. So that is called a forming stage. So as they form into a group, there will be the persons will be new to each other. So they will be like more excited about the work which they are going to do. So on that time, they will be like more cautious about the works which they are going to do. So this leads them to a bit of anxiety because they do not know what to do and how to do the process. So this is the first stage of first stage which they have to cross around in a group development. So on the next stage, it is called a storming stage. Yes. So as they're all into a group in the forming stage, now they are going to give all their perspectives into one point for the work which they are going to do. So as we read here, the storming stage is marked by conflict and composition as a group member starts to express their ideas and opinions. So yes, as we said, so the perspective of each persons will be shared on that. So in a colloquial word, they have given as ideas and opinions. So this phase is crucial for resolving differences and establishing clear roles and responsibilities. So yes, on this point of time, the conflict raises the thing which is more important here is conflict raises. So they have to be very clear about their roles and responsibilities, which they are working and which they are going through. So yes, so the next stage will be norming stage. So as we read here, in the norming stage, the group begins to cooperate and establish shared norms and values. So trust and cohesion developed as members start to appreciate each other's strength and contribution. Yes. So as the conflict raises before, though they are into a team, they share their things with each other. So on that point of time, a mutual relationship builds inside the team. So on building our mutual relationship inside, so each members will start help another members, so they will be understanding themselves and their teammates, so they start to cooperate each others, so that establish like norms and values, so they value the good deeds with them, so they value they share like their works with them. If a person is a bit lag in their work, but another person like who completes every works on time, so on that person will help the person who is lagged on bit, because the relationship between them has increased as they are into a team. So that process is called like norming stages. So yes, after the norming stages, we get into the stage called performing stage. So as we read here, so during the performing stage, the group operates as at its peak efficiency. So members are highly motivated and communications and collaborations and seamless. So the focus is on achieving the group goals. So yes, as we started in unknowing persons into a group, now we came into a stage after all the conflicts which we crossed into. So we came into the stage called like performing stage. So where the people got all get motivated into them, because like they do trust their team, they do have like helping tendency in their team, they do have a good cooperations in their team. So definitely they can do things like easier when they have like even coordination into it. So that in that point of time, so definitely the work will be done seamlessly, so that the efficiency of the work will be raised into peaks. So whether if it is a situation when one gets down, so another people's, the teammates and the colleagues will not leave him to get down of the performance. So definitely they will sit and talk with him. They will take all the things which the conflicts which he goes through, or else the things of the mood swings that he goes through. They consult with him, they talk, the communication barrier breaks right there, so that they are like free with each others, so that definitely he will also get motivated and involve himself into it. So on that point of time, the efficiency of the work will increase. So yes, as we see, we are in the stage of adjoining stage. So everybody got motivated, everybody got like highly in the performance peak because of the communication and uh, the collaboration which they have. So in this stage, it involves the terminations of the group as the task is completed. They may be a mix of emotions included satisfaction, sadness, and nostalgia as members reflects on their journey together. Yes. So everything is now completed. So the project gets into end. So now definitely one or two persons will terminate themselves, or like the company will terminate them out of the groups, because the new projects will arrive, so the person can fit in another projects also. So this point of time, so the emotions and the sadness will all be shared to build another teams. So yes, understanding the stage of group development is essential for effective management. By recognizing the dynamics at play, leaders can facilitate smooth transitions and maximize the group potentials. So yes, we are into the conclusion now. So the evaluation of group dynamics involves a journey from uncertainty to cohesion and achievement. By understanding the leveraging the stage of group development, team can optimize their performance and achieve success. Thank you so much.